The swept cut feature can be used to create a cut using a profile and a path. In this case, we're going to sketch a profile and use this exterior edge as the path. So I'll go ahead and draw a sketch on the top plane. Grab the circle tool and just draw in a circle anywhere. And then we want to select the midpoint of the circle and select this edge and choose the pierce relation. Then we need a dimension for our circle. We'll set this to 1/2 inch. And then we'll go ahead and exit the sketch. Then we'll go into swept cut. And you'll see two options, a profile sweep and a solid sweep. In this case, we've created a profile, so we'll just choose the profile sweep option. Choose the circle as the profile. And I'm going to go ahead and right click on this edge and choose Selection Manager. And I just want to make sure it's selected that entire edge and click OK. You can see it automatically chose the entire tangency there. We'll go ahead and click OK. And we can see the result of that cut sweep. The second option in the swept cut is a solid sweep. This allows you to sweep a solid body. This allows you to sweep a solid body along a path. For that, we already have our path here drawn out, and we just need a solid body. So we're going to create a sketch on this plane. Once again, we'll choose the circle tool. Draw it in at the end point there. And we'll give this a dimension of 1/2 inch. From here, we'll go into the Features tab. Choose Extruded Boss Base. And the direction one doesn't matter too much. We just want something extruded past this top surface, so we have a surface to select. We'll go into the direction 2, and we'll set this to 1/4 inch. The last thing we want to do is remove the merge result so that we have two separate bodies. And now we want to come to the swept cut, go down to solid sweep, choose the body there, and then we'll choose the path. And if I come into the options, we can also choose to show a preview. We can see what it's going to cut out there, and we'll go ahead and press OK. You can see that the solid sweep option allows you to create geometry that you wouldn't necessarily be able to create with the profile option.